Have you ever wondered why some people seem trapped in financial struggle no matter how hard they work? They wake up early, go to their jobs, stay busy all day, but somehow their bank account never grows. The truth is, it's rarely about income alone. It's about habits. Because poverty doesn't just live in your wallet, it lives in your daily decisions. In this video, we're uncovering the 7 habits that quietly keep people poor, and how you can finally break free from them. So stay with me, because this might sting a little, but it could change your entire financial future. The first habit that keeps people poor is spending more than you earn. It sounds simple, but it's the trap most people fall into. We buy things to feel better, to fit in, or to impress people who aren't even watching. That brand new phone, that daily takeout coffee, that car upgrade you didn't need yet, they all add up. If your lifestyle grows faster than your income, you'll always stay one step behind. Remember, you don't build wealth by earning more. You build it by keeping more. The moment you start tracking where your money goes, you take control of your financial life. The second habit is ignoring financial education. Most people spend years in school learning about everything except how money actually works. They can solve math problems but not credit problems. They know literature but not leverage. Wealthy people study money like a language. They learn how to make it, manage it, multiply it, and protect it. Books, podcasts, mentors, these are your free universities for wealth. The moment you stop saying, "I'm not good with money," and start saying, "I'm learning about money," your financial story begins to change. Habit number 3, depending on one source of income. The poor work for money. The wealthy make money work for them. If your job is your only source of income, your life is one emergency away from collapse. You need to build multiple income streams, side hustles, investments, skills that pay you outside of your 9 to 5. Money is not loyal to those who sit still. It follows motion, creativity, and courage. The fourth habit is instant gratification. This one kills wealth faster than anything else. We live in a world where everything is instant. Instant food, instant entertainment, instant shopping. But real wealth? It's slow. It grows with patience, time, and consistency. The poor want to look rich now. The rich are okay becoming rich later. When you trade long-term growth for short-term pleasure, you rob your future self. Every unnecessary purchase is a small delay in your financial freedom. The fifth habit is keeping poor company. Your income is the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with complainers, and you'll complain. Surround yourself with builders, and you'll build. The people in your circle influence your habits, your mindset, and even your goals. If you want to grow, start spending time with people who talk about ideas, investments, and opportunities, not gossip, problems, and excuses. The sixth habit is not setting financial goals. You can't hit a target you never aim for. Most people drift through life financially. No plan, no vision, no direction. They don't track expenses. They don't budget. They don't even define what wealth means to them. But the wealthy plan. They know what they want to earn, save, and invest by the month and by the year. They treat money like a mission, not a mystery. So ask yourself, what's your financial goal for the next 12 months? Write it down. You can't build what you can't see. And finally, habit number 7, blaming instead of taking responsibility. The truth hurts. Nobody is coming to save you. Not the government, not your boss, not luck. The day you stop blaming circumstances and start owning your choices, everything changes. Wealth doesn't grow in excuses. It grows in accountability. Every financial mistake is a lesson. Every small win is proof that you're capable of more. So here's the bottom line. Poverty is not just a condition. It's a mindset. The good news, mindsets can change. Start breaking these 7 habits one by one, and your life will look completely different 1 year from now. Stop chasing the appearance of wealth and start building real financial independence. If this message hit you, don't just scroll, act on it. Begin today. Save something, learn something, invest in yourself. Because wealth isn't built overnight, it's built every day, quietly, patiently, and intentionally.